Good morning. Today we're going to be making hummus, one of my favorite type, which is the red pepper and garlic. We're going to be making that on today. So we'll be back for Mima's cooking hummus. So we're going to wash and drain 1 can of chickpeas. It's just a 16-ounce can. You can see it's quite a bit in there. These are already peeled, so I know sometimes people say, oh, you got to peel them, but we're not. We're just going to rinse them off with a little water, just to get all of the extra stuff out of it. You can use into my food processor. I'm going to add my chickpeas. I'm going to lose a few, so I'm going to add some chickpeas. I'm going to add some lemon. I just usually say like 1 little squeeze of lemon. And just enough to give a little taste. And I'll add some more. Tahini is nothing more than sesame seeds. We're back. So I have the chickpeas, 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds. I put in a tablespoon of garlic, which is equivalent to about 1 clove. You can do 1 clove. I'm going to add in a little salt, 1/2 teaspoon, and we're going to go from there. I may add a little pepper a little later on, black pepper a little later on, or white pepper. Just depends on how good and how flavorful it tastes. I really don't like a lot of overpowering smells and tastes. Now I wanted a little, if I wanted a little more smoother, I could go back. If I want it to be smoother, I can have it go back. You know, the more creamier one, I just add a little bit more fluid. Tastes good. All right, thanks.